Brad Williams, Excel Prime, we want to sum totals between dates. We have a tween date deal here. Straightforward. What are we going to do? SUMIFS. Here's the formula. We have this formula here. SUMIFS, total, and we have our sum range. Notice with SUMIF, that sum range is at the bottom here at the beginning. We have a date. What's the date here? That's set. But our criteria, notice we have multiple criteria. We have to set a date here. Our range is set over here. Our criteria is above here, forcing us to use the SUMIFS. If there was a single criteria, we could use SUMIF, given the criteria we're working with. And then notice greater than and less than. Remember, your concatenation, your quotes. Data entry is critical here. Our name ranges, date, right here, B5 to B12, and our total. Keep in mind, we just multiplied 40 times 45. That's not our total. Be sure to capture the correct column. Total, G5 to G12. The anatomy, the narrative. There's a few tips in the narrative. Read it if you need it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.